our room. We can take this bitch to our room. Go. Yeah, bitch. Blah, blah. Ooh. Hey, man, I'll take this bitch to the room. Man, I'll just order this. On the elevator, we just got on. Straight up. Nigga, what you doing, man? I just ordered this bitch. You heard me? Just ordered it. What up? Bro, nigga, you just steal it, right? And we found it, bro. We didn't steal it.
Where y'all found that at?
We gonna put it back.